everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shrivani. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do it right away so that it will send you the notifications as soon as I upload my videos. So the reason for making the video is I actually made a video of this short where we have the openings in Cotiviti for medical coders who are waiting from so long time for getting a job. So this is the best opportunity that you can utilize and make best out of it, because when we don't get the opportunities we blame opportunities that we aren't getting anything, right? So it is better to use and utilize when you get an opportunity. However, if you don't get an opportunity, we don't try to get it. So whenever we get it, it's better to make use of it. So let us see the opening so that it will be useful only. That is the only intention I'm making this video. So Cotiviti in Hyderabad have the openings for medical coder freshers, which are certified and trained non-certified freshers. So first నుండి line by line, step by step అని చెప్తాను. The first thing is the openings are in Hyderabad, which is that first thing is background. ఏ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వాళ్ళు చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ ఈస్ అ క్వాలిఫికేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ అ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ మీన్స్ they are looking for only life science backgrounds in which they can be any life science graduates or pharmacy, and also nursing background can apply for this role. And the main thing is, as far as the information I know, they have informed that or you should have the mail to get in. Only referred candidates will be preferred, because you need to have reference. When you have reference, you will be having the mail. By showing that mail you can get in. If you don't have the mail, also give an attempt. It's not a wrong thing, because it might be walk in drive. It is on 16th and 17th as well, but specifically they have mentioned that you need to have the mail, to the extent of the information I got right now. And it is for both CPC certified and trained non-certified coders, like the people who are done with the certification of CPC and who got or who took the training in institutes, normally training as a non-certified, but they have not written certification. That's also fine. Trained certified coders and certification is eligible for this role, medical coding. So what is the date? Date is 16th May for reference candidates or not, but 16th and 17th are drive-in dates where you can give a try or attempt, so that you will be knowing what is the actual situation over there. I suggest personally to go, because it's very important now to know what's actually happening, and you can get practically what is going on there. It's again your wish or your intention to go it there. And it's the address is on 10th floor Galaxy building. It is at Rai Durgam or opposite to IKEA, which is near the Rai Durgam and Serlingampalli Mandal. It comes under that, where it is in Hyderabad itself. So it is completely work from offices opportunity. It is not work from home. It is work from office, and need to be prepared for that as well. And so what is the position there? Position is medical coding or as a medical coder, HCC. This is for HCC specifically. And interview process. What is the interview process? How will it be? Ante the first thing, the first step or step one for this interview is you will be having the aptitude test. Normally, aptitude means they'll just test your basic knowledge or basic mathematics on how much you are perfect on. But what most important is the second step. Once after you pass the aptitude, you need to go through this anatomy and the medical terminology test. It might be any of the way, but you should be thorough in preparing anatomy, ICD guidelines, and so you need to be basically thorough in aptitude test. It might not be in a depth of the level, like basic mathematics will be there in the first aptitude test. Then on, you will be given with anatomy and the medical terminology test, as it mentioned in the interview process, where you need to be thorough in anatomy, ICD guidelines, CPT modifiers, CPT medical terminologies, whatever that includes in the subject, need to be very thorough at to crack the interview, because you need to pass that first round and then your interview round will be there. If you pass in that, you will be notifying with an email that you got passed or something, qualified for the next round. Then you will be going on or moving on with that process. So it has two batches, might be it will be from 9 a.m. in the morning, where you need to be there by, it is better if you go early. It might start from 9, not sure exactly about timings, but 9 a.m. is the time that as far as I know now. And that is what about the interview process. it is for both certified, and salary package is also very good in this company because it is also a top MNC company in Hyderabad, which pays 3 LPA, like around 3 LPA for non certified coders, and for certification coders they will be paying like 3.6 LPA, which would adjust in that way manner where you can be part and make use of this opportunity. Because when we don't get an opportunity, we are very like we are under motivated, demotivated, right? When an opportunity is given, and when you get an opportunity, make utilize of that, make use of it. This is only want I want to give information regarding. If you have any doubts, ping me in the comment section so that I'll be replying you to the extent of the information I know. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do it right away. Thank you.